Hi, I'm Daniel Rodriguez from Acura, here to explain how to use the ZDX steering wheel controls that allow you to control many features with a touch of your finger. On the right of the steering wheel is a push-to-talk button. Press this to start voice recognition. Below this button is a long toggle. To end or decline a call, press the toggle down. The musical note button to the right of voice recognition will show all audio sources listed when pressed. Push the right toggle up or down to view sources and push in to select. Once a source is selected, the toggle is then used to cycle between favorites. Below the toggles on the right is the Digital Instrument Cluster View Selector. Pressing this button will cycle through the various digital instrument cluster modes. The bottom button on the left is for the heated steering wheel. Now on the left side of the steering wheel are the cruise control buttons. To turn cruise control on or off, press the upper button on the right that looks like an odometer, and a white indicator light will appear on the instrument cluster when it is on. To engage cruise control, press down on the left-hand side toggle. If there is a set speed in the memory, press the toggle on the left up briefly to resume cruise control at that speed, or press up and hold to accelerate. The toggle on the right will set adaptive cruise control distance to the car in front. Press the toggle down to increase or decrease following distance. Below the toggle on Type S models is the hands-free cruise button. For more information on hands-free cruise, please see your owner's manual. And this steering wheel does even more. The seek and skip buttons and volume switches are on the back of the steering wheel. To increase or decrease volume, locate the volume buttons on the back side of the steering wheel on the right. To seek or skip within an audio source, press the buttons on the back side of the steering wheel on the left. When listening to a media device, press up to select the next track or down for the previous one. When playing the radio likewise, press up or down to select the next or previous station. Located on top of the seek and skip buttons on the left is the regen paddle. When pressed, it will decrease the vehicle's speed. For more information on these features, please see your owner's manual.